I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making any videos of yours. Before I reveal the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If you're looking for ways and means of using the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. All right. So my friend, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making any videos of yours, without showing your face anywhere. We're going to look at a two-pronged strategy. So our first point to visit right now is YouTube itself. So this is YouTube. I've just typed in guitar. You can see all sorts of videos that are talking about guitar. 3 hours of relaxing guitar music, meditation music, instrumental music, calming music, relaxing guitar music, calming music, meditation music. Right. Look at the subscribers, my friend. 4.66 million. Right. This one, 4 years ago, with 99 million views. And this one, 10 million views. And this one, 859,000 subscribers and with 6.2 million views. And the list goes on and on. So the strategy, my friend, that I'm going to show you is that you are going to legally steal these videos and then make them your own. So there is what is called Creative Commons. And if we are to go and find out the definition of Creative Commons, yes, this is Wikipedia. And it says Creative Commons license is one of the several public copyright licenses that enable the free distribution of an otherwise copyrighted work. A CC license is used when an author wants to give other people the right to share, to use, and build on. It means to edit it, to build on a work that they, the author, have created, right? So that's the summary about Creative Commons. So YouTube has got that in place, right? So if you go to filter, you click filter and then under features, you see where it says Creative Commons right there. You click it, right? And then whatever results now which you see are under Creative Commons. So it means any of these videos that we see now, they are under Creative Commons. It means we can manipulate them, we can download them, we can tweak them the way we want, we can re-upload them on YouTube as we want, as we wish, okay? And no one is going to chase us around to say we have stolen content, right? So this is how you're going to legally steal these videos and make them yours and make money using these videos. You don't need to show your face anyway. You are not making any videos of yours. You're just taking other people's videos and you are just making money using those videos, using that Google trick of Creative Commons. You download these videos one by one. All you need to do is just right click and then you copy the link address and then you go on Google and look for an online YouTube to MP4 converter software. And then you find there is a ton of software that you can use online. You don't even need to download it on your computer. You just use it straight right there. Download a number of these videos and then you compile them into one video and then you re-upload it on YouTube, right? So you might not know what sort of software to use. There are some free software that you can use. You can use iMovie, you can use the movie maker depending on the computer that you have. Okay. There are some free software you can just type on your search engine for free video editors. So how are you going to make the money now, right? So these people, they make money using a program called AdSense. It's a Google program that allows people to monetize their content. You can get into a partnership with YouTube. You create the videos, you post them on YouTube, and YouTube will bring in some adverts after meeting certain criteria. That is, when you now have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours on your videos, on your channel, then you can monetize your channel, right? YouTube now will be able to throw some adverts on your videos before, in the middle, or at the end of that video. So the owners of the adverts will be paying YouTube, and you'll be splitting the profits with YouTube. That's how you get money. You might be wondering, what sort of amounts are you able to get from YouTube? It depends on the region where you are in the world. So if you are in North America, you get a different rate. In South America, you are on a different rate. In Europe, Middle East, and Africa, you are in a different rate. How much will you earn with AdSense? For an estimate, try this revenue calculator. You can calculate, find a rough idea of what sort of amount you can get depending on where you are. YouTube, Google has divided the world into 4 regions: Asia and Pacific countries, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, North America, and South America, right? And then there are some categories of content or videos that you can create, and that will give you different rates, okay? So if you are in arts and entertainment, or auto and vehicles, beauty, fitness, books, computers, electronics, food and drink, games, health, hobbies and leisure, home and garden, internet, telecoms, these are the different categories that you can make content on, that you can make videos on, right? So since we're talking about guitar is about entertainment. It might fall into hobbies and leisure. It depends on how YouTube will categorize it. Okay? But that's not your homework. Your homework is to create the content, and YouTube will do the rest. Okay? I'm in Europe, I'm in the UK. So I want to see, I'll demonstrate with Europe because that's where I am. My category falls either in business and industry or finance. Actually, I think it falls under finance because I make videos that show people how to make money, right? So we click finance right there, right? So if we click the calculator, it gives us a rough idea, right? So I am in Europe, and monthly page views of 50,000 will give me an estimated potential annual revenue will be 10,734 just for 50,000 monthly views. If there are 1 million monthly views on your channel, you are talking of $235,000 annual income, annual revenue from YouTube. Okay? So that's serious money, my friend. And this is money that you can make without even making a video of your own, without showing your face anywhere. So this is serious money, my friend. Right, so if you take it further, 2 million views, monthly views, you've got 451,000 annually. So that's serious money, my friend. This is just about finance, and it's about Europe. If we change the category, if we change the region, and we go to North America, you find that this is going to dramatically change, right? So let's change it and go to North America, and we're dealing with finance, and we're looking at 2 million views. Look at the amounts, my friend, 787,000, right? So it doesn't matter what sort of category you are in, you can still make a lot of money. So if it is arts and entertainment, and you are in North America, and you've got 2 million views, monthly views, you're looking at $157,000, right? So that's quite some serious amount of money which you can make passively, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are doing some other things that matter in your life. Let's go back to YouTube and try and find out what sort of amounts this particular channel is getting. It's called Yellow Brick Cinema, and there is a website which is called Social Blade. And that website, it allows us to do a reverse engineering. We can do reverse engineering on this particular channel and get an indication of how much this channel might be getting per day, per month, and per year, what sort of views, and so forth. So let's go on Social Blade. Social Blade is here, and the channel is up already on Social Blade. And you can see all other stats right here, the ranking and so forth and so forth. You can have a look at your own time, but look at the breakdown. Yesterday, that was the 14th of September, 1.6 million views on that channel. How much did they make on the 14th of September? It's between 263 pounds, that's British money, and 4,200. And these amounts are just rough estimates. These are not overestimates, but these are underestimates, right? With some reliable information, right? You know that that figure can be double. It can be 3 times. That figure can be 4 times. And you can have an idea of what sort of amount this channel is making, my friend, per day, right? So we've got daily averages, weekly averages, last 30 days. So the last 30 days, this channel on the upper side, it made at least $116,000. Multiply that per year and find out how much this channel is making, my friend. And what it is doing is just to compile some videos, and those videos are not theirs. These videos are just Creative Commons videos, okay? Or they've got some other source, but it's not their own content, but they are legally allowed to use the content, and they're making a killing. The sooner you and I started to make our own channels, like myself from here, I'm going to make my own channel and have the information now. And I'm going to make my own video doing the exact thing which I am talking about right now. The other side of it, my friend, is that you can go to a site which is called ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network. It has thousands and thousands of digital products, and here people fish out some products and they sell them. You join for free, and then you can sell the products for free, and you get money. You start to make money out of it, right? So now I want to demonstrate how you can make even more money. If this channel had an affiliate link in its description, of the 99 million viewers, a good chunk of the viewers were going to click the link and buy a product. This product is paying upfront $29. So now we are to be just conservative and say 1% of the 99 million were going to click and buy through that affiliate link. How much was this channel going to make even further besides the AdSense? Right, look at this, my friend. Let's pull out a calculator. We've got 99 million, that's 99 million views. And then we assume that the conversion rate, or just 1% of those viewers will just go into the description, and then they click through, and then they buy that product from ClickBank, right? Let's see how much. We multiply by 1%. 1% is that one. Look at the amount, my friend, $990,000. Right, so this is what you can do, my friend. You compile your videos, you upload it to YouTube. In the description, you are not going to forget to put an affiliate link that you can take from ClickBank right here. You are going to get money through AdSense, through YouTube, through the viewers, through YouTube throwing some adverts on your video. And then also some of your viewers are going to click the link in the description and they are going to buy some other product through an affiliate link. So my friend, this is how you can make some money using YouTube without making any videos of yours and without you showing your face anywhere. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. See you later.